how to deposit money on Binance from bank account. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to deposit money on Binance from bank account. After you open the Binance app like this, go to trade section. After you come to trade, now swipe to left like this and go to P2P. After you come to the P2P, all you have to do now, if you want to add money from your bank, so tap on this option now and search for your currency. So go ahead and search for your currency of your country. For me, I will use GHS, that's Ghanaian cedis. After you select your currency, make sure you are on buy option in this option. So now go ahead and tap on this option, payment, and select bank transfer, confirm. So from there, you go and specify the amount of the money you want to deposit. Tap on this option now and set the amount that you want to deposit. Let's say I want to deposit from my currency 5,000 of my currency into my Binance account. So from there, there is a list of people that are willing to deposit my Binance account, and I'll give them my local currency. All these people are, most of them are coming from the area that where you are living now because of this filter. So from there, you go and select this person. Let's say I'll select this person. After you tap on the buy button from the person profile, so hey, if I give this person 5,000 of my currency, he will give me 307 USDT. So all you have to do now, tap on this bank transfer. So go ahead and now choose bank. If I tap on this place order button, so from there, now if I tap on this view payment method, now here is the bank details for the person. So now if I copy his bank account, here is it on bank account, I'll go back into my bank and transfer the money to him. After I send the money to him, just come back and tap on this transfer button. After I tap on the transfer button, from there, the Binance will notify him to check his account. After he confirm the money that he received, the money that you sent him, from there, the person will give you the USDT. So if you want to see the USDT, all you have to do just go back like this. So if you just go back, so if you want to see the USDT or the money that you deposited, just go to assets. After you come to the asset, if you scroll to down under USDT, you'll be able to see the balance or the amount of USDT that you bought from the person. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.